What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. How you doing? Hey, there's only 2 more days left. I've been yelling at you all week that you only had a week left. Now you only got 2 days left of Chevrolet Silverado Truck Month. If you are looking for a vehicle, this is the time. I mean, there's all kinds of things going on. You only got 2 days left. I know there's a bunch of stuff going on. I mean, Halloween tomorrow, but you know, make some time to come down and see us. We have got all kinds of things going on. We've got extra truck month specials. It's been insane. It's been crazy. And so we are closing out the month strong. If you are looking for a vehicle, we are going to work with you. We're going to make it happen for you. I mean, we're your hometown dealer here in Los Lunas, just minutes south of Albuquerque, right on Interstate I-25, exit 203. Easy to find, easy to deal with. You know what I say. You watch me all the time. You're like, Dennis, stop yelling at us. But you need to get down here. I'm excited because we have got some things, I mean, just huge specials going on. And I want you to take advantage of them. I don't want you to miss out. It ain't gonna get no better than what we got right now. So you need to get down here and see us. We have got all kinds of things going on. I mean, we've got the truck specials. We've got the SUV specials. We've got our service specials. You know, I told you, didn't I? I told you that you needed to get your car checked out for winter. You didn't believe me, and then boom, we got all kinds of snow, and you're like, man, I should have got my car checked out. We are still running our service specials so you can get your car inspected for winter. Make sure it's ready, because you know what's going to happen again. When those temperatures get down to 20 degrees, you got to make sure your car is ready. So come down and see us. You can check us out online at melloychevrolet.com. You can give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, or just come down here. Exit 203, Interstate I-25, easy to find, easy to deal with, right on the interstate, boom. I mean, we are your hometown dealership. You need to take advantage of these specials, and we are gonna do everything we can do to make it happen for you. Because that's what we do. That's how we roll. So come on down and see us. Exit 203, come on, right there. Easy to find. We've also got, hey, check this out. So I've also got a car coming in right now. So this is a 2020 Corvette. It's got like 300 miles on it. It's a used car, but it's brand new. I mean, you know, 300 miles. So if you are looking for a Corvette, boom, we're your people. We got one. Come down and see us. It'll be here in about 15 minutes, and there's open game, whoever wants it. So hurry up and get down here. But we have got all kinds of stuff going on. I'll post a video of the Corvette when it comes in. Beautiful car, just beautiful. 300 miles. I mean, everybody's looking for those Corvettes, right? We got one. So it doesn't matter what you're looking for, though. If you're looking for a family vehicle, if you're looking for a vehicle for work, no matter what you're looking for, we can help you. If you've got some credit situations going on, don't worry. Give us a chance. Let us work with you. We have been working with people all month long. It's been great. I mean, their customers are super happy. If you've been watching our Facebook videos, you've seen our testimonials. Our customers are happy. Salespeople are happy. Our sales manager is happy. Everybody's happy. So come down and see us. We want to make it. We want to make it. We want to do something for you. We want to make it work for you. That's what I wanted to say. So come on, New Mexico. Get on down here. Today, tomorrow, 2 days left. Take advantage of Truck Month. Take advantage of this new Corvette we got coming in. Take advantage of our service specials. Just take advantage of us. We're okay with it. So come down and see us. MelloyChevrolet.com. You can jump online. You can use our Shop Click Drive service to purchase your vehicle online. We'll schedule delivery to you. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, or just come down and see us. You know where we are. I told you like 8 times already. Exit 203 on Interstate I-25, right on the interstate. Easy to find, easy to deal with. We are here for you, and we are your hometown dealership. So come down and see us. What else do you want? I don't think I got anything else. Oh, you know what I'll do? Let's do this. If you come down this weekend, today and tomorrow, and take a test drive, I have got some of these promotional earbuds. They're not Apple, but they're like knockoff Apple. They're cool though, and they work. And so come take a test drive. Tell them I saw Dennis on Facebook. I watched the whole video, and at the end he said if I come take a test drive, you'll give me some earbuds. So come down. I'll hand out some earbuds to you. Just come down and see us. Because, you know, We want you to. So, thanks for watching. This is Dennis, Melloy Chevrolet, Los Lunes. Get down here. Come on, people.